How are y'all doing out there in YouTube land today? My name is Larry. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over a little topic about how to not have to buy seeds when you want to plant your garden. Now I'm going to use one example of a cauliflower plant or broccoli plant. This is probably a broccoli plant, but you can use the same thing on basically any type of plant. You just want to harvest the seeds like you would in any other crop. So stay tuned. Let me show you how. Okay, what I've done is I've taken an old broccoli plant that I planted in a bucket. You know, I planted some of these in the garden before, and I took one of them and just let it grow, never harvested it at all, and just let it just keep growing. And finally it came to a point where it just had a lot of seedlings on the end of it. The flowers turned out, then the seeds the flowers turned into seeds in that area, and then once they get to where they start turning yellow, just cut them off. You know, cut your little stems of it off. And then take and go ahead and put them in a bag if you want to, or you lay them on a table and just on a board or something. You could actually just lay them on a board like this right here and just crush them out, but then you'd have a hard time getting those seeds. So what I like to do is to keep from having to buy new seeds every year, and if it's a good crop that it produces, that's a really good seed that you want to keep working with. So the best thing I found is get you a big old baggie and put the dry leaves in there and just crush them up. Just move them around, shake them around a little bit like that. And then if you look in the bottom of the bag, let me get to it, you see all them little seeds come out of there. Not a magic trick. It's just a way to harvest your own seeds for your next year's garden crop. Pretty simple thing. I take them, put them in a baggie. I don't seal them completely. I just seal them where they won't come out and leave a little air get into them so they don't the bag doesn't form any moisture in it, and they'll start sprouting. But you do want to keep them dry, but I do keep them in a dry spot and let air get to them. Okay guys, that's what you do with your broccoli seeds if you want to use them from year to year. Now keep in mind you can do that same thing, like I said, on just about any plant. You know, serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers, tomatoes, the whole works. Just let them grow, and once they reach a point where they've pretty much gone as far as they can go, then take and dry that fruit out, whatever it might be, and take those seeds, harvest them, put them in a bag, and get them ready for next season. But I hope this helped you learn something, folks. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Stay tuned for our future videos. We're going to be putting a lot of gardening videos out here, and in the background you'll see here we got a chicken coop that we're building and finishing. We're fixing to release the chicks in here. They're about 2.5 weeks old. Once they're ready to go, we'll put them in here and shoot you some videos of how they're doing and how they progress as they begin to age and go into their adulthood. Thanks for watching.